Hello everyone, today we're going to solve a really nice trigonometry problem. It's a high quality one. As you can see, we're given a semicircle, and here's what it says. The radius of the semicircle is 1 unit. We're asked to find the ratio of the length of segment AB plus BC to the length of segment CD plus DA in terms of x. In short, we're looking for the ratio of the orange lines to the blue lines. So how should we approach this? Since the radius is 1 unit, the length of segment OC is also 1. Because it's a radius. Now, how can we express the length of OD in terms of x? Let's suppose OD equals cosine x. You'd probably agree with that, right? Because in a right triangle, cosine is the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. And since the hypotenuse here is 1, the adjacent side must be cosine x. That means the length of DA becomes 1 minus cosine x. All right, now what about segment CD? That would be sine x, because sine is the opposite side over the hypotenuse. Again, since the hypotenuse is 1, the opposite side is simply sine x. Now let's look at segment AB. That would be tangent x, since tangent is the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. Our adjacent side here is OA, which is the radius, and equals 1, so AB equals tangent x. Good so far. Now we only have one unknown left, segment BC. Let's call it A. To find A, we can use triangle similarity. After all, the two right triangles here are similar, right? That gives us the proportion cosine x divided by 1 equals 1 divided by A plus 1. From this proportion, we solve for A, and we find that A is equal to 1 over cosine x minus 1. Of course, you could also find this using the Pythagorean theorem. Both ways would give you the same result. But anyway, let's move on. Now let's plug everything we found into the original expression. Does it look complicated? Not really. Let's simplify it step by step. First, we can write tangent x as sine x divided by cosine x. Then, instead of just writing minus 1, we can express that as cosine x over cosine x, just to have a common denominator. Once we do the algebra, the whole expression simplifies nicely. The numerator and denominator cancel out easily, and what we're left with is 1 divided by cosine x. This expression has a special name. It's called secant x. So what do you think? Was it hard? Or am I just explaining it really well? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next problem.